Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I have a very good internship opportunity for all backend developers and Java learners. So if you are from a 2025 or 2026 batch and looking for a backend internship in Mumbai, then watch this video till the end because this opportunity is really worth applying. So let's start. The company is Upstox, which is a well known fintech product based company. They are hiring for the role of SDE backend intern in the Mumbai region. And this is a work from office internship. This is not just a normal internship. You will get a chance to work on a real production level backend system, real users, and real features. So it's a great learning opportunity. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. You can apply if you are a 2025 or 26 pass out. The most important skill they want is core Java. So your Java fundamentals must be strong. Along with that, you should know Spring or Spring Boot, REST APIs, Git, databases like MySQL. If you know React, that's a bonus but not a mandatory. What they expect, they want someone who can contribute from day one, work on real backend systems, build production ready solution, take ownership, be curious and keep learning. So if you have done backend projects using Java and Spring Boot, you should definitely apply. So how to apply? Now let's talk about it. Go to the LinkedIn and search SRE Backend Intern Upstox Mumbai. Open the vacancy and you will find the application form. Fill out the form properly, upload your updated resume and submit it. I will also add the direct job link in the description box so you can go there and apply easily. If your resume gets shortlisted, they usually revert within 1 week. So keep checking your emails and LinkedIn messages. Also, one important tip, try to connect with the people from the same company on LinkedIn, search for employees working at Upstox, and send them a polite connection request and ask for a referrals. Referral is a bonus point and can increase your chances of getting shortlisted. So this was the internship update. If you are preparing for a backend roles, don't miss this opportunity. I regularly post internships, fresher jobs and tech update. So make sure to like this video. Thank you for watching. All the best for your applications and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep applying.